Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail. Okay, application. Now let's tap on the right upper corner. We can see that we are logging here into 3 accounts at the same time. So if you want to log out from this account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. So to do that, we should click here manage accounts on this device, select one from this available accounts, click here remove account, confirm your action by click here to remove account again, go back to the application. We can check and see that we stay here only with 2 accounts now. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.